Ever wanted an avatar that stays consistent across all your social media platforms? Imagine a character that looks the same, whether you're posting on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, without needing to reveal your face or appear on camera. Hey creators, welcome back to AI Chief. I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to create consistent AI avatars for your social media using Leonardo AI. No face reveal needed. No camera time. Leonardo AI does all the work for you. What is Leonardo AI? Leonardo AI is a powerful image generation platform that takes simple text descriptions and turns them into detailed avatars. You describe your character style, outfit, expression, and the Leonardo AI creates it. Best part? You can use it across all your platforms without needing to show your face. Step 1. Choose the right model for consistency. For a consistent look, use Phoenix by Leonardo AI. This model lets you create avatars that maintain a signature style using the same seed number. Here's how it works. First, generate your avatar by typing in your description. Think cyberpunk, cartoon version of yourself, or fantasy hero. Once the avatar is generated, right-click the image, select Copy Seed, and save it. Now, head into Leonardo AI's settings and paste that seed into the seed input section. This ensures that every time you create, your avatar stays the same, perfect for YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, or TikTok. Step 2. Customize your avatar now. Describe your avatar in more detail hairstyle, outfit, art style, digital painting, anime, etc. Once you've got your first avatar, you can fine-tune it using style reference and character reference. For style reference, upload an image that matches the look you're going for, whether it's a real-life photo or a specific artistic style. For character reference, upload a picture of a similar character, and the AI will adapt your avatar to match. Step 3. Maintain consistency across platforms. Want to make sure your avatar stays consistent? Use the seed number you copied earlier. That's the key to keeping your characters look the same across all your content. Whether you're posting a profile picture, a story post, or a video thumbnail, your avatar will stay on brand. If you're now thinking, how can I turn my static avatar into a video? Don't worry, we'll have a full tutorial coming soon, showing you exactly how to take your avatar from image to animated video. Stay tuned for that. Ready to create a consistent digital persona? With Leonardo AI, you can easily generate. Try it out now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome AI tips. Catch you in the next one.